Mativo has joined jurists around the world led by the International Commission of Jurists, ICJ Kenya chapter, to call for the abolition of the death penalty in Kenya. Speaking during the commemoration of the World Day Against the Death Penalty, Justice Mativo termed the trend as inhuman and degrading. According to ICJ Kenya chapter, 166 people are currently on death row despite the country having no executions for the last 35 years. Now, the country's Supreme Court had made a landmark decision in 2017 to outlaw the mandatory death sentence.
They've lost hope and they've been there for as long as they can remember. So that's why there is a significant move worldwide for abolition of the death penalty. It's quite inhuman, it's degrading, it's irreversible. And most countries in the world have abolished it, and even the ones which have it in the law books, people are sentenced to death, but they are not executed. So you find there's a reluctance to execute them. But recently, that was in 2017, our own Supreme Court made a significant decision, a landmark decision, whereby they outlawed the death penalty in murder cases. So persons convicted of the offense of murder have been given the window to apply for resentencing, and many of them have been resentenced to definite jail terms. Otherwise, we are looking forward to more development of the law, to a situation whereby we eliminate the death penalty from our law books, but that's the only way to go about it.
166 people on death row in Kenya, 3 of them being women, the rest being men. And having heard that Kenya has not executed anyone since 1987, we are urging that Kenya moves towards total abolition as much as we are now having a moratorium.
I'd like to commend ICJ for organizing this event as we all striving to abolish death penalty worldwide. You mentioned that France has abolished death penalty since 40 years. But I would like to say also that the European Union is a death penalty-free area. Member states of the European Union have all abolished death penalty.
All right, now on to matters education. The